Now, thank you again for joining me. Now, we're talking about division in modular arithmetic. How do we divide these questions? How do we divide them? Now, we have division of 3 and 4 in mode 5. Now, what will help us here is the knowledge of inverse, multiplicative inverse of this number. Because if I write A, let me solve A, what do we have? 3 divided by 4 is the same thing as 3 times inverse of 4, right? In mode what? In mode 5. So we need to go and get this. Let me read this. We got the question in mode 5. What's 4? Inverse of 4. So inverse of 4 should be what? In my previous video, I spoke about inverse of 4. What can we multiply 4 with? In mode 5. So that we get 1. Let's say that will be 4 times 2, 8 divided by 5, 4 times 3, 4 times 4. Okay, let's do that with 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give us what? 16, right? 16 divided by 5, the mode 5, right? That will give us what? 1 in mode 5. Right? That implies that, this is our final answer. That implies that 4, inverse of 4 is this 4. So we can now rewrite this question. That implies that 3 times inverse of 4 can be written as what? 3 times 4. Since the inverse of 4, this one is this. Right? So what do we do? The answer is now what? 12. Our 12 in mode 5 is what? In mode 5. Question is now 2. 5 divided by this is 2 remainder 2. So our answer is 2 mode 5. Do you get? The alternative approaches. If you want to solve the other way around, you can write this as 3 over 4. Say alternative. 3 over 4 is equal to x, right? Then 4x can be equal to what? 3. Isn't it? You are still having this in 5. So 4 times what? We need the coefficient of x here is 4. Multiply the coefficient of 4 by the coefficient of x rather by a number that will give us the unit. The same thing as the inverse. So the inverse of 4 is still 4. So 4 times the inverse of this 4 is this 4. So that is 1 to 3. So that is still what? 16. This 1 times 3 2. So we have what? 12. You understand? So this 4 times 4 is 16. This one is what is giving us our answer. This one is already in what? 1 in mode 5. So divide this by 5. The answer is still 2 in mode 5. Right? Now, solve the last one. This one, how do we solve this? We have 3 times the inverse of 3. So what will be the inverse of 3? That should be equal to 3 times in mode 5. 3 times 2. Yes. And that is 6 divided by 5. That will give us 1 in mode 5. In mode 5. So our inverse of 3 is this 2. So that means this can be written as what? That implies that 3 times 3 inverse can be equal to what? 3 times 2. And that was 6. In mode 5 is 1 mode 5. Here we stop. Try this question now. But this one, we need to use all the remainders of 6. Because we can have more than one answer for this. It is not, it is, what do you call it? It's more or less different from this. You get? So try it out. Thank you for joining me. See you on this one.